Ladies, your motorhome has carpet. You plan to remove the carpet, ladies and gentlemen. Be ready, guys. You see that? That's what happens when you remove the carpet and you want to do something different. See that? That's no good, guy. When you're driving, the bus is shaking, alright? And the furniture, the counters is down only a few nails, guy. Alright, what you want to do now before you continue, you put some kind of material down there, guy. Or cocky, alright? See that? That's what you do. I want to do it at the same time, guy. You may need something kind of stuff, guy. And the polish. But you do this the last, right? After you go with the gun. You get the machete and chop it out the forest, guy, alright? Right, before you do the color, guy, you chop it out the forest, alright? Don't polish yet, not do it, because the little nails you want to use, you have to little touch, right? In case you look in the job professional, guy. This is shows you want to do professional. Get the machete and remove the thing 45 the upside down to the other side. Chop it out the forest, and you're gonna do the compressor, guy. Because the little nails make a little hole, guy. So you're gonna do a little touch as to everything mounted property was supposed to be, guy. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, before you do that, you align everything, alright, the way it's supposed to be, alright? See that? Now you have support there, guy. Because you cannot play too much with this glue, guy. This glue is very tough to clean it up. Alright, now you remove. Connect there you can. Ready to go, guy.
The 19-year-old pre-law student was charged with first-degree murder.
Right here, guy. A little cocky, guy. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's your case. Don't glue this thing here, not nail it yet, guy. Until you put the lights in, guy. Alright? Because this glue, guy, especially glue I use in here, very tough, guy, very strong. So you push the bottom in, be sure the lights come in free, and then you screw, guy. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, Florida and the whole planet, motorhome, no matter you have 40 feet long, it's still a small, guy. But there is no small if you using your intelligence. You see this space here? This being forever do nothing. You see this here? Be there doing nothing, guy. And see that there? Be there doing nothing, guy. You see how many stories you have here now? Too many. Exactly like in this corner there, guy. And one thing you should know, ladies and gentlemen. I see people online talking about meat is garbage, all the egg, cheese is garbage, poison in your life. But you have to understand one more thing, guy. You are what you breathe. That's the number one, guy. And how you know the place you sleep is full of dust? Sometimes it's possible, guy, because you live in a house manufactured with carton, what you call Chirac. This is garbage. This is carton, dust. But you live in a place like this, guy. You are good right here. In no way the dust can stick in here, guy. In no way to the dust sticking there, guy. The dust coming to the floor. You see how using cookie down there? You have to think about tomorrow, guy. Just today is garbage. Tomorrow is everything, guy. But that's gonna fall here. You have it under control there. You are sealing very good. You can with the map once one time a day, and that's the only way you know there's no dust. Sometimes you don't see the dust, like full of garbage in a place you sleepy, guy. You see that? It's completely sealed. I'm using clear caulk, guy. I mean, when I map this floor, and this floor has ground here, guy. Don't get confused. I'm sure no way to the subfloor get wet because that's very sealing, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, you make your life the way you want. You want to live a short life or you want to live long life. But remember, number one, what do you breathe, guys? That's number one. If you live in a place manufacturing where this garbage you call it Chirac, no way, guy. If you live in a place you live with this garbage called wood floor, this garbage you cannot mop the floor because the wood is forest, guys, for the animals. If you live in a place that you have a carpet, this is a piece of shit, man, on the whole planet, wherever you are. Right? You don't love your life, it's you like you never born, guy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see that here? We're using a little cocky, alright? When you do a little touch, some beautiful, guy. I'm not using this kind of stuff here, the clear. Alright? You can use a little brush and wear mask, guys, because this thing is very strong. See how you cover the nails? You can see the nail now. Because when you installation the molding, come little hole, but when you painting, come beautiful, guys. So like here, when you carry this little piece of here, you have to be very careful, guys. It's very dangerous, right? See, that's the way it's looking, guys. Alright, you see that? And right here, you can refill a little bit. You see that? I refill it with kind of material, right, guys? Are you using one course? All clear? I want to do what to do 2 times, guys. See, guys? It's different, guys. From now to another thing was another thing is very strong. You can sit down here if you want, and everything gonna be alright, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope the tutorial helped you. God bless you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hasta la vista, baby.